Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Coding Help. In this video, we are going to solve the problem of Codeforces Round 1085. So this is the very first problem. Let's understand the problem. We have given an integer, okay. Then we have given a string of length n, or that string is binary string, right? Or this is the operation we have given. We can choose left or right element in that string. That should be one, okay. And we can change the middle element either 0 or 1. Let's see how we can do. If we have given 1 0 1, we can choose these two, or we can make middle element as a 1, because both should be 1. If 0 0 1 is there, we can't do anything. 1 0 0 is there, we can't do anything, right? If 1 1 1 is given, we can choose this one, or we can make middle element 0 or 1, whatever you want. Now, what we need to return? We need to return minimum and maximum number of ones in that string. Okay. So, how many minimum number of ones we can get into that string, and how many maximum number of ones get into that string? Let's check with one example. We have given 1 1 0 1 1. How many minimum number of ones we can get, or maximum number of ones? Let's try to first maximize it. Okay. 1. Okay, we'll choose this one, or make middle element as a 1. 5. 5 ones is there. Now, minimum. We want minimum. We will choose this 2, and we'll choose this 2, make middle element as a 0. 1 0 1 0 1. So, there is 3. Can we reduce more ones? No, we can't reduce, because 2 element should be 1. Then we can reduce or change 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. Okay, they have clearly mentioned I minus 1 or I plus 1 index. Then we can change ith index element. Both index elements should be 1. So we are getting any condition here now? We are not getting. If you will try to minimize here directly, what will be happen? 1 1 0 1 1 is there. We can't reduce it here. Definitely we need to make it maximize. Okay, then we can reduce the ones, right? So that's why first we will go for maximize all the ones. Okay, we'll maximize, then minimize. Okay, so what will be our approach? Our approach will be to will run the loop for loop from 0 to n, and at the ith index. If ith ith index element will be 0, we will check I minus 1th index element, I plus 1th index element. If this index element is 1, okay, what will be condition? S of I is equal to 0, and S of I minus 1 is equal to 1. S of I plus 1 is equal to 1. This condition should be true. Then we will change this to 1. S of I to 1, right? And finally, we will try to minimize. How we can minimize? If we have odd number of ones, we will choose. We will choose. So if we have 5, 7, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, we'll choose this one, we'll choose this one, or we'll choose this one. We can reduce. How many we can do? If we have 7, 7 divided by 2 means 3. Number of ones left, 1 2 1 2 3 and 4. 7 divided by 2 plus 1. If even number of ones is there, 4 6, 6. We can remove 1. Here we can remove 2, no more than 2, right? So how many ones we left with? 6. This is 4 divided by 2 plus 1, right? And this is 6 divided by 2 plus 1, right? Because you check, we can remove only 1, so 4 divided by 2, 2 plus 1, 3, right? And 6 is there, so 3 plus 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? This will be our minimum number of ones or maximum number of ones. But we will apply this formula only when we have contiguous number of ones, like this one. 1 is there, 2 0 is there, 1 1 1 1 is there, 2 0 is there, 3 0 is there, like this one. Okay, so we'll do 5 divided by 2 plus 1. Here we'll do 5 divided by 2 plus 1. Here also 5. Okay, 6 7 6 7 8 10. And also here 8 divided by 2 plus 1, right? We can remove this one, this one, this one. 3 we can remove, so 8 4 plus 1 5. 2, okay, 3 4 5. Okay, this is 5. We will, what we will do, we'll run the for loop and find all contiguous one, and when we are getting any breaker like this one 0, we will break and we will use this formula. Again we will use this formula. Again you will, what will be formula? Whatever value, whatever contiguous one is getting, divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, that's it. Oh, here we have taken t test case, and that is the length of a string, and we are taking a string. Now we are converting into the character array, and we are checking this condition. I have told you previously, ith index element is 0, I minus 1 is 1, I plus 1 is 1, then we are changing that to 1. This is for the, we are converting to maximum ones. Okay, now here we are calculating maximum number of ones. Now we want to calculate minimum number of ones. In that string we will try to find all consecutive ones. So when we are getting length is 1, if we are getting 1, so we are increasing the length. If we are getting 0 in at any place, what we are doing, we are doing length divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, we have seen this formula, and we are changing our length to 0. Or finally, if length is greater than 0, okay, in this case, so we will also add, that is length divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, and finally we will print minimum ones or maximum ones. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.